going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Alxr and I'm back with a brand new video. Today I'm doing another hydro dip. This time, well, I say this time, the first time I did it was on a pair of Air Force. So this is the number 2, this is the second pair of Air Force that I'm going to be hydro dipping. The first time that I did some Air Force, I didn't tape up the inside. And it got all on the inside, so this time I figured I would redeem myself and I would make sure I tape up the inside. The colours I'm going to be using are purple, blue and pink. I'm going to be hydro dipping some white Air Force. If you're new to my channel, hit subscribe down below, leave a like too if you enjoyed the video. Now let's get straight into the hydro dipping. Let's go! Now they're completely done, ready to be hydro dipped. Let's go. Ooh, and now they're completely primed. They're ready to be hydro dipped. Let's go and fill up the bucket of water. Let's go. So the colours I'm going to be using are pink, purple, blue. So I've got my gloves on, ready to go, and the primer has completely dried now, so the shoes are ready to be dipped. First colour I'm going to use is the pink, and I'm just going to go backwards and forth with the pink and with the blue as well. So I'm going to go ahead and dip the shoes in 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, bro, whoa, look at the front. Oh my gosh, that is so sick. Okay, that bit, I'm not feeling that bit right there, so I'm gonna quickly add a couple more colours and try and get that covered. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try and cover that bit there without ruining the rest of it. Okay, they're completely covered. This is the first one completely done. Now I'm gonna go ahead, clean the water out a bit and do the second one. Okay, gloves on. I'm gonna go ahead and do the second shoe. Once again, using these same colors, I'm just gonna go ahead and spray and just swap between the two. So first color is the pink and the blue. Let's go. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and dip the second shoe in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Damn, so this is the second shoe completely done. I'm going to wait for them to dry a little bit and then I'm going to go ahead, take the tape off, lace them up and show you what they look like completely finished. So now I'm going to go ahead and dip the second shoe in 3, 2, 1, let's go. And this is what they look like.
I'm on a new level, headed to another league. This shit will never stop, my future looks overseas. I'm on a new level, check out the blueprint. I'm rocking Gucci, mixed match with Givenchy. I'm on a new level, so see if I can neutral it. Check like it's Nike, me I just do it.